Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking this delicious teriyaki chicken. The chicken is coated with sticky sweet sauce and is tender inside with a slightly charred flavor-packed exterior. It is great to team up with rice and suits everyone at all ages. Okay, let's get started now. 2 pieces chicken thigh with skin on. Marinate chicken with 1 teaspoon cooking wine, 2 teaspoon light soy sauce, half teaspoon garlic powder, some white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix all the seasonings well with the chicken and then let it marinate for 15 minutes. 2 slices of ginger. Finally, we need to prepare a sauce. 3 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoon dark brown sugar, half teaspoon onion powder, 150 ml water. Mix all the seasonings well with the water and then put aside waiting for cooking. Now we start cooking. Put 3 tablespoons oil to the hot pan. Heat up the oil and then put the chicken in. Put the ginger slices in as well. Pan fry the skin side first until it is slightly turned brown, and then turn to the other side. Pan fry until it is slightly turned brown as well. And then turn it back to the skin side. Pan fry until the skin turned medium brown. Repeat the same process to the other side when the skin turned medium brown. Now it is done. As you can see, there are still lots of oil in the pan, so take the chicken out and pour the oil to a container if you want to reuse it. Otherwise, dispose it properly. Put the pan back to the stove and put the chicken back to the pan. Turn the skin side down and then put in the sauce that we prepared just now. Remember to give the sauce a good stir before pouring to the pan. Put the lid on and let it cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, open the lid, turn the chicken to the other side, and then put the lid back on and cook for another 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes later, open the lid. As you can see, there are still a lot of sauce in the pan. Drizzle the sauce on the skin with a spoon until the sauce is thickened and reduced to about 2 tablespoons. Now it is done. Turn the heat off, let the chicken cool down a bit, and then cut it to thick slices. Drizzle the remaining sauce on the chicken and then garnish with sesames. This dish is done. Look at it. I believe you can tell how scrumptious it is through the screen. Chicken is very juicy and tender, and it is coated with flavorful sticky sweet sauce. This recipe is simple and easy to follow, and I hope you will give it a try. If you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!